Christmas morning down Brighton. Beautiful. 25 degrees. Perfect for a Christmas day. Beach is very quiet actually, not many people down here. Probably get busier a little later. But yeah, not much, well I suppose typical for Adelaide. The beaches are always sparsely populated. Have the lifesavers out anyway. Over there, water just looks beautiful, turquoise. It actually looks better when you look through my sunglasses, which are polarized. You can, not sure if it works there, but you can see the colour of the water. Just spotted a couple of Santas playing soccer on the beach. Typical Aussie summer, typical Aussie Christmas day I should say. Sun and relaxing and eating. I hope that it's not too noisy out the wind, but that's the shark spotter plane you'll see up in the sky there. I don't know if you can, just over the jetty right now. Shark spotter. So that'll go up and down the coast from Linda's uni. That yeah, shark spotting all up and down the coast, north to south. Anyway, head over for a coffee. It's pretty quiet down here today actually. I was expecting more people. Colour of that water is just beautiful, can't get over it. Anyway, let's see, can we find a coffee shop open? Say Brighton, it's not a bad spot. One of my favourite spots. And it doesn't look like there's many coffee shops open here anyway, so we might have to double back without a coffee. So this is the Esplanade Hotel. I've been doing some substantial renovations on this place. We'll probably watch it throughout the year. As you can see, they've taken the whole roof off it. This is where we used to get our morning coffees. You can see inside they've completely torn the place apart. Anyway, I'm sure it's going to be a really nice spot right next to the main strip, and you have this beautiful backdrop here of the jetty opposite. But yeah, it's going to take 12 months for this renovation apparently. So as you can see, look at the view they have from the corner here. And they have another little seated area around the side here. I'd imagine this is all going to be, I don't know, redone, knocked down. But look at that for a view. Cracking view from here. You see, have your meal and you have that. Beautiful. So that's Brighton this morning, Christmas Day. Pretty quiet. Let's have a look over by the beach, see what's going on. There's some people out on paddle boards. Forgot my mic today, so hopefully it's not too windy. Got Some people on the paddle boards out there. I don't see many people fishing today.